Continuing coverage tonight, one of the men charged in the murder of a Cedar Rapids teenager appeared before a judge today.
20-year-old Tajh Ross is accused of shooting 19-year-old Latasha Roundtree in 2012. The Washington High School basketball player was on her way to a party when she was killed. 4 other men have pleaded guilty in the case and are expected to testify against Ross. Fox 28 News reporter Jason Hackett has the emotional details from today's hearing.
As you heard the gunshot, the glass shatter, Mr. Clark told you to go. What do you recall about Miss Roundtree, if anything?
She wasn't saying anything.
It was in those tense moments that the bright future of a 19-year-old was extinguished, and prosecutors say this is the man who pulled the trigger.
Tajh Ross from the county of Lynn and state of Iowa did unlawfully and willfully kill Latasha Roundtree.
Prosecutors say Ross and his friends heard that a party on 649 16th Avenue Southwest was going to be, quote, shot up.
Instead of calling the police or simply leaving, you'll hear he and his companions arm themselves and stay put.
Haley McConnell was with Roundtree and another friend on the way to the party. She was in the car when the bullet went through her passenger window.
What happened next?
Neil started to scream, go.
Meanwhile, just next door, Kenneth Miller heard what sounded like fireworks outside. His surveillance system is what captured the audio and video recording of the moment. You can see Miller going outside to take a look.
As you looked around, did you see anything?
No, not at first I didn't. And then coming in between my garage and my neighbor's garage, I turned and noticed a handgun underneath the steps there.
All the while, Latasha's friends raced to the hospital, hoping to save her life.
What happened when you ran to the hospital?
I just was screaming, she shot in her head, and then I fell to the floor.
Covering the corridor in Cedar Rapids, Jason Hackett, Fox 28 News.
The trial is set to resume tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. We will be there for the duration.